Hello out there, subscribers and friends. This is Surviving 2 coming at you with another video. Hello out there in YouTube land. Fixing to put alcohol to it. Let's see how it does when I do the alcohol. So let me get some stuff set up on it and I'll get right back to you. Okay, I filled up a regular penny stove, put it in there, put the penny on top. Oh, and by the way, a lot of y'all might think you need to have safety first, people. You might not think about this, but at least have something handy so if something goes wrong, you don't end up blowing it up all over your table. Alright, let me get some room here, and I'll take some more fuel. I'm going to put just a little bit in the top and put some down here in the very base, and move the fuel back out of the way, and let's fire this thing up. Hopefully we should get some flames out of that here fairly soon. And I'm going to use the cup. Let's see if it's starting up yet. Yep, it's starting up. Alright. Give it time to get going and settle down a little bit. Put some water in my cup here. Let's see what we got going on inside. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. Got some decent flames. I mean, they're not huge, but they're decent. So I'm going to go ahead and use this in here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and leave them out. I'm just going to set the cup right down in there. And, damn it, I forgot my lid. I gotta go get my lid, but I'll fast forward this so y'all won't have to suffer. Well, I didn't put enough fuel down in the stove to get a rolling boil out of it, but it's been about 5 minutes. The flames are out now. Got it pretty warm though. As you can see, I got steam coming off of it. Got quite a few bubbles down in there. So looks like if I had gone ahead and filled the stove completely up, this thing would have done real well. I think I used about half an ounce, something like that. Alright, so at least that seems to work really well. Alright, that's a good thing. We'll catch y'all later. Later. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.